Good morning, Priya.
Good morning, Rahul. How are you?
I am good. And you?
I'm fine too.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
That's nice. I woke up at 5:30.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I do. I like morning time
Why do you like mornings?
because the weather is fresh and peaceful.
What do you do first after waking up?
First, I drink water. Then I brush my teeth.
That's a good habit.
What about you?
I wash my face and make my bed.
Do you use your phone in the morning?
No, I try not to use my phone early.
Very good. That is healthy. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I do yoga.
Wow, how long do you do yoga?
Around 20 minutes.
I go for a walk every morning.
Really? Where do you go?
I go to the nearby park.
Do many people come there?
Yes, many people walk and exercise there.
Morning exercise is very important.
Yes, it keeps the body healthy.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes I listen to soft music.
I like morning meditation too.
Meditation helps the mind relax.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Sounds tasty.
What about you?
I like poha and tea.
Do you make breakfast yourself?
Yes, sometimes I cook.
Can you cook well?
I can cook simple food.
That's great. Cooking is a useful skill.
Thank you.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea. And you?
I like coffee in the morning.
Breakfast gives energy for the day.
Yes, we should never skip breakfast. How do you get ready for work?
First, I take a shower.
Then what do you do?
Then I wear my clothes and comb my hair.
Do you iron your clothes?
Yes, I like neat clothes.
Me too. Clean clothes look professional.
How long does it take you to get ready?
Around 30 minutes.
Do you pack your bag at night?
Yes, it helps me in the morning.
How do you go to work?
I go by bike.
Is the traffic heavy in the morning?
Yes, sometimes it is very crowded.
I go by bus.
How much time does it take?
Around 40 minutes.
That's a long time.
Yes, but I enjoy listening to music.
That makes the journey fun.
Do you leave home early?
Yes, I leave at 8 a.m.
Being on time is important.
Absolutely. What are your healthy morning habits?
I drink warm water every day.
That is good for health.
Yes, it helps digestion.
I avoid junk food in the morning.
That's a smart habit.
Do you read books in the morning?
Yes, I read for 10 minutes.
What kind of books do you like?
I like motivational books.
Morning reading improves focus.
Yes, and it gives positive energy. Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, I write my tasks in a notebook.
That is very organized.
It helps me remember important work.
I also make a to-do list.
Great.
What is your first task today?
I have an office meeting.
Are you prepared?
Yes, I prepared last night.
Good preparation saves time.
Exactly. How do you stay motivated in the morning?
I listen to positive speeches.
That sounds inspiring.
Yes, it improves my mood.
I like writing goals.
Goals help us grow.
Do you believe in positive thinking?
Yes, positive thinking changes life.
I agree with you.
A good morning creates a good day. Are you a morning person?
Yes, I feel active in the morning.
I feel sleepy sometimes.
Do you sleep late at night?
Yes, I watch movies sometimes.
That's why you feel sleepy.
Maybe you are right.
Try sleeping early.
I will try from today.
Good decision.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
I learned many good habits today.
Me too.
Morning time is very important.
Yes, a good morning gives a good start.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.